myself and my group members. My name is Suresh and my group member is Shabaz, Gaurav, Wasim and Rohan. We will talk about this introduction, power of WhatsApp, competition, and advantages and disadvantages. Introduction of WhatsApp. WhatsApp Messenger is a proprietary first platform instant messaging application for smartphone. In addition, for text messaging, users can send each other messages, videos and images, media messages. The client platform is available for Android, BlackBerry, iOS, Series 40, Nokia, and yes, this phone can easily message to each other because of WhatsApp Messenger. Who has founded WhatsApp Incidents? WhatsApp Incident was founded in 2009 by Brain Active and Jen Con, also the current CEO. Both are the veterans of Yahoo, and it is based in Santa Clara, California. Competitive with the number of Asian-based messaging services. As you know, that WhatsApp is competitive with the number of Asian-based services like Line, WeChat, etc. WhatsApp was handling 10 million messages per day of August 2012. According to the Financial Times, WhatsApp has joined to SMS on mobile phones and due to international calling of landlines. This service is free on the first year. The cost is 0.99. As of August 6, 2012, WhatsApp has over 300 million active users and 25 millions of photos shared each day.
Thank you, Suresh. Good morning, sir and friends. From this, I am going to continue the features of WhatsApp. The first feature of WhatsApp is to we can save the conversation and send to anyone with Wi-Fi and etc. network using. We just go to the WhatsApp option, more conversation, and send the conversation to a Gmail account or any account to the internet users. So next, change the wallpaper of WhatsApp. We by using the same wallpaper we get bored. So we can change the background of WhatsApp by using that WhatsApp downloaded apps, which has downloaded earlier when we downloaded the WhatsApp. We can use the same wallpaper which we have in our phones, or we can just click on new wallpaper and add it to that. Save the photo you have received. You can save the photo which we have received from our friends, relatives, etc. This feature is the most common feature which we are all using today. By using this feature, we can save the images, videos, and voice in our phone. With the help of this feature, we can see the pictures anywhere and anytime when we are used it. So I would like to call Mr. Gaurav to introduce himself.
Good morning, my friends. My name is Gaurav and I am going to further represent features of WhatsApp. Make backups of your WhatsApp conversation. You can make backups of your WhatsApp conversation if further, we normally chat in our groups, test importance and extras. So, we can make backup of our conversation to save if any problem is in the app. We can make use that backups for our saved conversations, and we can use it for our next. And one of the function of it is use the enter key to send WhatsApp messages. We can chat a lot in the WhatsApp. As we chat, how often do you write multiple lines of text in a single WhatsApp chat messages? We don't usually write many chat messages. As such, the enter key on your phone is not really of much use. However, there is an option of WhatsApp lets you use the enter key on the Android virtual keypad to send messages. Create shortcuts to WhatsApp conversation. If you are WhatsApp addict, you can use shortcuts to WhatsApp conversations. We launched the app and fed up sometimes. It usually slow sometimes because of we fill our SD cards. So you can normally click on the icon or your friend's contact, and it will save on the wallpaper of your Android phone. Further presentation is going to be represented by my friend Wasim and my fellow.
Hi friends, my name is Wasim Sheikh. I am going to present a WhatsApp presentation, and the topic is we can choose a profile picture of WhatsApp. Okay, by going to setting you can choose the profile. In profile you just tap on a existing profile picture. In there you can choose any profile picture of you. If you are in a group, example you are in a group alpha boys, alpha girls, we are also in a group. We can choose a profile picture of a group. You can upload any picture of you, like of yours, of your friends, of your towards you, of your family, of your colleagues, anything. And further you can change your status. If you can with the help of status, you can tell your friends why not there to chat. You can say that I am working in meeting all day today, available, busy, sleeping. You can say this status will be uploaded. This will show next to your contact name. And further is the advantage in today's world where every Android market, every message is are training the caching. WhatsApp is currently the leading free message app with a 27 billion message posted every day by millions of users. As we all know, we also have WhatsApp ID and WhatsApp user. Every day we can see everyone is using WhatsApp. Android, Symbian, S40. Example for today is Java also introduced the WhatsApp. And my further presentation will be conducted by Mr. Rohan.
Good morning friends, my name is Rohan and I am here to present list of advantages. WhatsApp in this today's world has become very modern. People are using WhatsApp on a large scale. Earlier, people used to communicate with people on letters or something, email, that sort of thing. But now WhatsApp has become very popular in these days. Some of the advantages of WhatsApp are as follows. You can send messages of no cost. WhatsApp are free. You can send any number of messages for free. An application that uses very little space in the memory of your smartphone while consuming little power, thus having more opportunity to chat with your friends. When you download WhatsApp, all the phone contacts from your phone list gets automatically converted to your contact list of WhatsApp. Some of the disadvantages of WhatsApp, since everyone is using a smartphone nowadays, so people are getting addicted to WhatsApp. They are forgetting everything and the whole day they chat on WhatsApp and they forget about studies and all. Besides all the advantages of WhatsApp, as warned by Professor of Psychology at the University of Bosque Country, Enrique Urch-Purian. WhatsApp status is so good that it creates a familiar environment. For example, Neha is online but not yet responded. Ayan is always online and gives instant responses. Arbaz was last seen on 24/11/2013 and at 2 p.m. These are all examples for what people see and communicate with people. Nowadays, WhatsApp has become so addicted that people use their lifestyle for connecting with, because the impact is so powerful that the users left their real world refreshed, the environment restricted to WhatsApp. They get happy or sad depending on the messages they get from the other users. Thank you.
Good.